Yeah, picture first.
Don't hug it.
So cute.
Paparazzi. Don't make it too hard.
Ano.
Fresco.
Fresco, I'm sorry.
Paparazzi.
That color.
AJ is now the debutant.
Thank you for coming.
Deep breath.
Yes.
Don't cry.
Good flower for you.
Tissue for me.
Okay.
Tissue.
I don't know. I did not prepare a speech. Okay. Nash, we've been through a lot. I'm not sure if they knew that we actually fought. Yeah. We're good actors. Okay. But you know, despite of our differences, actually we're not different. We have the same mood swings. That's why. But you know that no matter what happens, we'll always be together. Thank you for everything in advance. I hope. Yes. And I will never forget. I will miss all the touches and everything. Yes.
All of the touches, different places there.
Yes. In the elevator. Inside the train.
At Central.
At Central.
Yeah.
Inside the training office. The blind area. Blue. Wherever.
Even if
My bad.
doesn't matter where.
Good luck. I know that there's a more exciting life for you out there. Just don't forget. Yeah. We'll go out, right?
Yay!
Yes.
To make a difference at
And I hope you like their presentation. Hey, I spearheaded it. But yeah. Yes.
Again. Come on.
Where else?
Paparazzi. Closer. That's enough. That's enough. Wow.
When it's my 18th birthday, I'm like,
Can you make it?
Can you make it
up, but up.
Wait.
upper? Higher.
It's our lunch.
How long is that?
Thank you.
Nash, speech.
Here. One performance again. Wait, there's another performance.
Give Nash a chair.